everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Cristina Gonzales. And for today's video, meron na naman tayong panibagong makeup tutorial. And ang makeup tutorial na ito is the latest trend for 2020. And it's called the Foxy EYES Makeup Tutorial. Sumikat to dahil kay Bella Hadid. So, kung gusto nyong matutunan kung paano gawin ang Foxy Eyes para sa isang Asian or hooded eyes like me, just keep on watching and I hope you will enjoy this video. And by the way, if bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe into my channel and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa panibago kong videos more on makeup travel here in South of France.
Let's start with our brows 101 or brows on point. That's what you call magic. Kilay is life. Next, use a concealer as your primer. Put and spread it all over your eyelids. And then dab it with your Real Techniques sponge. And then grab your Scotch tape at itapal sa bunganga mong napakadaldal. And then grab your favorite eyeshadow in the color orangey brown. Apply it into your outer crease. Blend it nicely and use the tape to be your guideline. Patience is virtue, so keep on blending. Then grab a dark brown and apply it into your outer crease as well. Mix it nicely. There is no shortcut in blending, so keep on blending till you get tired of it. Then grab a dark yellow color for your inner corner. Slowly build up the color till your preference. This eyeshadow is not so pigmented, so I need to build it up till I achieve the color that I want. Ano? Kaya pa, te. Sige, build up lang ng build up dyan, te. Then I'm blending the two colors together nicely. Next, grab your intense black liquid eyeliner. Start from the bottom now here. Start in the bottom of your wing liner. Then work it inwards slowly and thinly. It's time to remove the tape. Et voila! We achieve our perfect foxy eyes. Next, use the same color of yellow into your inner corner or your tear duct. Grab the orangey brown for your outer corner. Dab and blend. Dab and blend. It's time to grab your favorite white eyeliner. Oh, te, dahan-dahan. Baka masundot mo yung mata mo, te. Next is grab your favorite mascara. Long lashes makes a great drama. Don't forget your lower lashes as well. It's time for foundation. For a flawless skin, apply enough amount of foundation. Blend it nicely with a sponge. I love this Maybelline HD foundation 24 hours because it makes my skin so flawless and it will last all day. Since I love drama-rama, it's time to add false lashes. Oh, diva, bongga, kabugera, catty. Then grab your black eyeliner once again and put it in your inner corner. It's time to hide and conceal our panda eyes, dark spots, and of course, blemishes. Lahat ng pas, itago mo na. And use your favorite setting powder. I'm using the L'Oreal Mineral Powder para hindi mahulas at long-lasting ang ating makeup. Next, grab your favorite bronzer or contour powder to make our face look so skinny and defined. And of course, don't forget to contour your nose para matangos tignan. At huwag mong kalimutan ang airport mong noo para naman lumiit ang noo mong napakalapad. And then blend everything with a brush. It's time for blush on. So grab your favorite blush. Wow, T, rosy cheeks ka na. So you're so tisay and kinis.
Di nga!
Next is to highlight our face, my favorite part of makeup. Highlight, highlight, highlight. Highlight makes you look like you're a shining goddess. Don't forget to highlight your nose and of course your cheekbones and your upper lip. We're almost done. Diyosang-diyosa ka na.
Wow!
It's time to put our matte lip stain by NYX. Line and load the color into your lips. And we're done with this Foxy Eyes makeup tutorial.
That's good.
Thank you all so much for watching my Foxy Eyes makeup tutorial. Sana may natutunan kayo kung paano ko ginawa ang Foxy Eyes makeup tutorial na sobrang trendy at sobrang maganda for 2020 at bagay na bagay sa ating Asian eyes. And sana mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel And of course, kung nagustuhan nyo to, like this video, share it with your friends na mahilig din sa makeup. And thank you all so much. If may comment ka or meron kang gustong malaman tungkol sa makeup, just leave me a comment in the section down below and I'll surely answer it. Thank you all so much and see you in my next one, guys. Mwah.